Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it. You can use the document query selector all method to find all elements that match a selector in the DOM. So here I am getting all of the elements that are button elements, and I'm going to log them to the console. And if I jump over to the browser, you can see I get back this node list with all 5 of my buttons here. You can use any valid CSS selector. So if I wanted to get all of the elements that had the BG red class, for example, so buttons 2 and 5, I can switch that up, reload the browser, and here you see I get my BG red buttons. Let me uncomment that. Similarly, I could also use it for more complex selectors like data snack, for example. And I'm going to use the same way I would write this in CSS with the square brackets. And if I jump back over to the browser and reload, you can see I get back my 3 buttons with data snack. You can do even more complex things. So if I wanted to get compound selectors, like ones that have data snack and background red, I can combine them again, just like you would in CSS. And I'm going to get back that one button that meets both criteria. So really flexible, very useful JavaScript method. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.